Hey guys! For this video, I'll be teaching you the perfect flat lay for your Instagram feed or for your Facebook or just any photos that you can upload, even for Twitter. Now let's get started. First is you must know what's your background. Now for this video, I used my mom's silky and creamy colored cloth, which was perfect because of its simplicity that I will be using for my flat lay. Next is you must have good lighting. So what I did in this video is that I sat next to a window to avail that natural morning shine. Or you can turn on all the light in the room as long as it's bright enough to enhance your photo. And now focusing on the flat lay, my main object is this black crocodile leather notebook. Next to it is my dad's watch. Because of its vintage feel, I use it also for the flat lay. And finally, because of our generation today, I use my phone as well. Keep in mind that when you're doing your flat lay is to be creative. Now, I added some details on this video, such as this design from my mom's bedroom, and also I borrowed my sister's tiny Eiffel Tower to give that emphasis of vintage along with the watch. And finally, this dream catcher that I got from a friend to give emphasis on the photos. Now that your flat lay is complete, remember to maximize your space. Now in this video, I just moved the objects on my flat lay to avail all the space that I can get from the photo. As you can see, I'm moving the Eiffel Tower, I moved the phone and the watch to avail the maximum space. And from there, you can take a photo of your flat lay. And guys, don't forget to have fun with your flat lay. So what I did was, after the first shot is I assorted the objects in my flat lay to avail different kind of photos and to have options when posting my flat lays. So as you can see, I moved the objects around, I created more dimension, more options, and more feelings in the photo. Now for this final flat lay, I used my mom's black background, which was floral and cute, and also this will be a fashion flat lay, so I focus on my fashion, which was kind of bohemian. So this bottom was from Pen Shop and this top was from Forever 21, which was also an off-shoulder and a maroon colored off-shoulder. And finally, for my shoes is a gift from my cousin. Also, the top was a gift from my cousin. I don't know why I didn't say it. And also, I just added some details because of being creative in this flat lay. And then you're done.
Hey guys! As you can see, I'm already wearing the top that I used for the flat lay, and I hope you like the flat lay video. I hope it helps you on your future flat lays. And guys, please do like this video. It means so much to me. Comment down below on what more tutorials you want me to teach you guys. And thank you for all your support. It means so much to me. And please do subscribe and be a part of my Yellow Heart family. And thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!